What's up guys? So today I'm working with another closure wig, and this is from Asteria Hair, and it does have combs in the unit this time, and it's got HD lace. You know we love some HD lace over here. When it comes to what I wear in my everyday life, if it's not a leave out type of unit, it's HD lace. First thing I'm gonna do is tint this lace using my Maybelline Super Stay Press Powder. Yes, to the tint, it's right on point. So I'm gonna figure out where I need to position it. I don't like to go too far up on my forehead because as y'all know, I don't have a whole lot of forehead. So we don't wanna do too much, but I do wanna do enough. So I'm gonna bring it to like right here. Just in case anyone was wondering, I did pluck and bleach the knots myself. I am going underlace with my spray to lay this down. Got that kind of everywhere. It's fine though, we'll work it out in the end. And then I'm gonna pull this forward right where I want it, which is just a little bit past my hairline. Gonna comb this back. It's not a bad tangler, it's just that I plucked this unit, so you're gonna see a little bit of the tangling just because I didn't really brush it out before this video. This is why I love the Ebon Lace spray. It really grips to the head, like y'all already know the deal. When I cut jagged. All right, so now that I've cut the lace off, I'm just gonna use a little bit of spray to tack the edges back down. I wanna make sure there ain't no like flyaways in it, messing up the hairline, making it look messy, making it look like we don't know what we're doing. Marry it into the skin, really press it down so it's giving what wig, what lace. The HD is HDM. I love when I can't see it in the mirror because that means it's hard to see in person. Since I'm doing the middle part, I'm gonna go ahead and part the wig in the middle before I put the elastic band on to melt the lace down. That way I already know I have it in the right part. Oh, this goes far back. I'm here for it. Separate it out a little bit so this hair can go backwards. All right, we've been middled. Oh, and on the first try, I never get it right on the first try. Do my hot comb to set my part. This hair is kind of silky. Not overly silky, but it is definitely a silkier hair texture, so it's gonna obey me pretty well. It's not gonna fight back too much. I like the density with this unit because I feel like it's not too much, but it's not too little either. Oh, I forgot to put my elastic band on, y'all. But honestly, this lace is so HD. I feel like I don't really need the elastic band, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm going through and adding some curls with, ooh, I'm gonna drop my comb. I'm going through and adding some curls with my handy dandy flat iron that is now pink, thanks to my last wig bleeding off onto it. And of course, as usual, I am going opposite ways so that when I comb it out, it has a lot of volume. Or at least more volume than it would if I went one way. The best thing about silky textures is that they curl really easily because the hair is a lot thinner, so the heat penetrates a lot easier. I'm taking a little bit of wax. I don't want to do too much because this is a thinner hair, so it doesn't need as much. And of course, I'm adding some layers to it. You wouldn't be me if I didn't. So finishing touch, I just need to hide this lack of bald cap that I got going on here. And I am still using my Maybelline Super Stay Press Powder to do that. I'm gonna clean up the part with my eyebrow pencil where it got too crazy. And this is the final look. It came out so cute. This is quick and easy to install, easy to curl. This is a very low maintenance unit. If you're interested, you already know details will be down below in the description box for you.